Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying the normal bridal makeup, the Nigerian bridal gele. So I'm going to be tying this. I have like 2-3 other geles, exact gele type, I think 2 tutorials already, but this one is a little bit different because it's a loose type. If you have like 3 steps of asooke or less than that, you can tie this so that you minimize space and whatever, like you want to minimize how big it is, or sorry, you want to maximize the gele. You want to make it look bigger than this. So yeah, let's jump right into the video, guys. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get started. So as you can see, I placed the gele on top of her head, like it's a 70-30 part gele. That means one side of the gele is longer than the other part. You just share your gele into, from 100% you want to make one side 70 and the other side 30%. I placed it on her head and started pleating the gele. Guys, I told you this, if you want to achieve a very flawless either turban, gele, asooke, or whatever you're tying on your head, you want to make sure you, as far as you're pleating, make sure you pleat a very neat pleat. You want the pleat to be very, very neat, so that is how you achieve a very beautiful turban or gele. So as you can see, I folded it at the back, like I twisted one hand on top of the other, which the shorter hand is going to be on top of the longer hand. Like the 70 part is under the 30 part, while the 30 is on top of the 70. That's at the back as I'm crossing it over. So as you can see, I picked up the 70 part of the gele and I started pleating it. I think I'll pleat like 4 to 5 pleats, and then I'll ask her to hold it down for me so that you guys will see how it looks. So I hope you guys understand this video, and I hope you guys watched the makeup tutorial. If you haven't watched the makeup tutorial, I'm going to be leaving a link down below for the makeup tutorial for you guys to see how this goes. So I'm going to be pleating the gele now, making sure the gele is well secured. You want to do it like this. As you're pleating it, you want to press it down the way you're seeing from the video. And as you can see, I had to push the ears inside. When I'm done, I'm going to pull it out. You want to make sure the gele is very round, like very oval, not round, rather following the shape of her face. So as you can see, I just pleated a little bit. We want to make the gele loose. If I was making it tight, I would have just pleated it all through to the end of the gele like that, but I want it to be a little bit loose. That's why I asked her to hold the part I pleated tightly, and then I'm going to be loosening the lower part of the gele, like the outer part of the gele. You want to make sure you make that very loose. So looking at it now, the gele is very loose. So I arranged the pleat very well, and making sure from the upper part of the gele it should be very loose. Guys, you want to make sure it's loose, because, and okay, the advantage of this gele is if you have a smaller asooke, it tends to look bigger when you tie this style, but all the same sha. If you have a bigger gele, like the 4 pieces gele or the 5 pieces gele, if you tie this and your clients want it bigger, you can make it bigger. So as I'm going towards the upper part of the gele, I'm going to be making sure I make it loose. Then I'll ask her to turn back, pleat the part where I'm supposed to tie, like this, like the 70 part from under the handle of the gele. I'm going to pleat in the 70 part, then pleat this one up, tie it very well. You want to use the technique of tying this gele. You want to hold the edge of the gele and tie it tightly. Don't hold the whole thing back and then tie it. You want to hold the edges. Can you see what I'm doing? So this is how it works. I'm just going to be holding a bit of the part of the gele, and then I'll ask her to turn, and then boom, we have our gele. Can you see that? I'll keep pleating, arranging, pleating and arranging, and then you guys will see how the outcome is going to go. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, like, and also comment. And also let me say goodbye to you guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything you want to see on my YouTube channel, please drop it down below on the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the video of this makeup tutorial, like the link of this video on this makeup tutorial video, on the description box, or in the description box. If you guys are interested, please go watch it right now. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week on a very interesting makeup and turban tutorial. Bye.